recording audio through headset. That's what it says to me. Good morning, one and all. New book to work today because it is Tuesday, my new shift, and literally I get like seconds onto the Thames and the light reflects my face in the wrong direction. See, it's that walking backwards thing again. I can never get my light to reflect the mug within. So yesterday moved into a new flat. Well, I started renting a mini room again, studio from a friend. There we go. Mr. Puppy, Mr. Puppy. It's only when I start walking backwards that I start doing that. But I'm just as bad as the first one, so let's stay away. But now we're heading out. Time to start another day. Oh, lighting here is dreadful. But okay. That is weird that lighting doesn't work that way. Anyway. Let's talk. I had 2 minutes. I'm sitting at work because usually when you have a 12 close or a long day, an AFD, I call it an overlapping day, when I have an hour lunch break, I tend to want to leave the pub and go wandering off somewhere in Greenwich. But literally around 4 o'clock, the heavens opened and it was just... I didn't want the hassle of going out, getting wet, and then come back again and getting ready for work again. It's been quite a quiet day, but I've been able to keep myself busy for the first half of my shift. This evening it's quiz night. Tuesdays at this hour it's always quiz nights. So hopefully I'll be upstairs again. Maybe even if I had the cabin for a few tables, I'll be fine for it. But it's just nice to have a bit of a chance to just decompress for a little bit. I've just eaten. I might go out for Wonder and see if it stays dry. I need a shot for my Dogtober today, but this is now probably my Vlogtober. I've been a bit up and down the past few days trying to get things done. I still haven't done any reviews yet for Supergirl Season 5 or Batwoman Season 1, Episode 1. It was a good premiere. It set the scene very nicely. It was very interesting. Not just making her have a gay storyline, but there's a lot of a Bruce Wayne, Cat Kane kind of overlap to how they both grew up and being cousins. Cousins? Yes, cousins. I forgot about that. But it's always cousins that get on with rivalry, because Supergirl and Superman are cousins, Batwoman and Batman are cousins. So in the DC universe, they like to play off like different vigilantes or superheroes having a storyline that where people are compared to the other hero in the town or the city. So Gotham City has Batwoman and Batman now. Obviously from Krypton, Superman, Supergirl. And there are many things like, Oliver Queen and Green Arrow, the Flash of Two Worlds, many worlds, things like that. They all have like other versions of themselves or other different types of heroes, other different species, other different accomplices. You've got accomplices, they're part teammates. I'm curious to see where that storyline's going to go. If you've not seen it yet, you've got to see it. Whenever it's a pilot or a first episode, you always go and see it. So if you want a link to that, send me a message and I will send you one. But I need to catch up and start season 3 of Black Lightning because I hear they're also in the crossover. So many other things happening in the crossover that I just don't have any clue about yet, which I'm like, the less I know, the better it will become. By going, oh my god. But we'll see what happens. I am going to go for a little walk now, but just fighting with this bloody flickering of light next to me here and how to capture the right angle. This will do for now, and I will go and find some more stuff to do outside. If it holds out, there we go. I had to hold the camera up a little bit angle there because I've got someone walking behind me and they've got a little child, so I don't want to be a little in the camera. And here, then you can't see it. So yeah, so quick walk up. On the way all them wet still, but this is the foot rotation. Not too bad now. It's where the sun goes in, and I'm at the YOHA club or the Ahoy club, because I'm really good backwards. But yeah, oh dear. This is what happens when you take kids and you go into muddy puddles. The thing is that you can't see much of London behind me now, because where I was at the sail loft, we're upstairs, so you can't really see what's going on, behind. But I'm now so far back into the room. But I don't know if this. It's like it's the old part of the pier, because you can see this old rickety bridge. Literally, the entire Thames path is famous for it. And it's probably one of the old barges those horse-drawn barges were taken from. What are these things called? I don't know what these things are called. Record time. We're going to leave certain bar staff to one side of the bar. Thanks for that. We are good night round 2 when we finished. They got torn up by a beetle outside. But the quiz round tonight at Plasticine is a favourite TV show you're going to make nowadays. So what do you guys think for this?
Question 13. I am not after the writer or the composer, I am after the performer. For this one,
Music round.
it may take me a while to find the right bit, but hang on.
Doing well.
Of course it's right. Okay, so this is a 3-minute song, it's very, very quiet, right?
Turn the coffee machine off. Turn the coffee machine off.
Recognize the voice of the person playing it. I did not foresee this to be an issue. Bear with me. Something close.
So we need the person who's performing it and the country where they're from.
Country's wrong.
There's a coffee.
Right. Next one, which is I think 23A. Yeah? Yeah.
Right. Artist and where they're from.
One off my
That was tricky, Dennis.
Absolutely.
It's a trick question. It's artist and where they're from. It's one word.
Love it. Right.
3B.
Lost track.
23B.
23B.
I'm hectoring, I'm sorry.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Are you old finger?
Okay, have that again. Okay. Next one.